go back po doon sa ICC, nung pumutok po pala ito kahapon, sinabi po ng Malacanang na nagre-ready po sila for any eventualities. Meron nga po bang dapat paghandaan ang gobyerno, sir, kung sakali man po that, you will really be arrested? Should the government be ready for any eventualities?
Not exactly in the sense that they have to make a big celebration or preparation about it. It's just a simple matter of tendering the warrant. Ako naman, dumaan ako ng prosecutor, dumaan ako ng lahat-lahat na hanggang presidente. All I have to do is just to abide by the rules. Libro naman lahat yan. So if there is an arrest order and you are served the warrant of arrest, edi tanggapin mo and then go to the court and explain what is this all about. And kung sabihin mo na ganun-ganun may kasalanan, let us go to trial. Huwag na natin patagalin to. We go to trial and let's find out if what you're asserting is true.